Do you think I look like I'm from Sacramento?
You are from Sacramento.
You don't have to do that.
Well, it's nice to make things neat and clean. You ready to go home?
Ready?
Her hand moved behind his head and supported it. Her fingers moved gently in his hair. She looked up and across the barn, and her lips came together and smiled mysteriously. You've been listening to The Grapes of Wrath by John Steinbeck. If you...
21 hours and 5 minutes.
Wait. Let's just sit with what we heard.
Are you serious?
We don't have to constantly be entertaining ourselves, do we?
I wish I could live through something.
Aren't you?
Nope. The only exciting thing about 2002 is that it's a palindrome.
Okay, fine. Well, yours is the worst life of all, so you win.
Oh, so now you're mad?
No, it's just you're being ridiculous because you have a great life.
I'm sorry, I'm not perfect.
No one's asking you to be perfect. Just consider it would do.
I don't even want to go to school in this state anyway. I hate California. I want to go to the East Coast.
Your dad and I will barely be able to afford in-state tuition.
There are loans,
your brother,
scholarships.
Your very smart brother, he can't even find a job.
He and Shelly work. They have jobs.
They bag at the grocery store. That is not a career, and they went to Berkeley. Your father's company is laying off people right and left. Did you even know that? No, of course you don't, because you don't think about anybody but yourself. An immaculate heart is already a luxury.
Immaculate fart. You wanted that, not me.
Miguel saw someone knifed in front of him at Sac High. Is that what you want? So you're telling me that you want to see somebody knifed right in front of you?
Barely
right
saw
in front.
that. I want to go where culture is, like
how
New
in the
York.
world did I raise such a
At least
snob?
Connecticut or New Hampshire, where writers live in the
get
woods.
into those schools anyway.
Mom!
You can't even pass your driver's test.
Because you wouldn't let me practice
The
enough.
way that you work or the way that you don't work, you're not even worth state tuition, Christine.
My name is Ladybird.
Oh, well, actually, it's not, and it's ridiculous.
Call me
because your
Ladybird
name's
like you said
Christine.
you would.
You should just go to City College. You know, with your work ethic, just go to City College and then to jail and then back to City College, and then maybe you learn to pull yourself up and not expect everybody to do everything. Ah!